Hey everybody, this is Mike with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most versatile and useful Excel tools out there. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been with us for a while, you already know that we've been building web and Excel tools for the past 16 years with one major goal in mind: to automate processes and eliminate human error. Today, I'm excited to introduce our drive time calculator, a tool designed to not only calculate driving distances and travel times, but also incorporate departure times into the equation. This means you can now plan routes more efficiently, avoid heavy traffic, and optimize your driving schedule based on real-world conditions. By setting a departure time, you can figure out the best time to leave for your destination, whether you're managing deliveries, planning a business route, or just trying to beat rush hour. This feature is incredibly useful for logistics companies, field service professionals, and anyone who needs precise drive time estimates. Let me show you how easy it is to use. First, download the tool using the link in the description below. Once you have the file, open it and go to the Settings tab, where you'll enter your Google Maps API key. If you're not sure how to set this up, don't worry. We've included a step-by-step video in the description to walk you through it. Next, configure your settings. You can choose between miles or kilometers for your output and set your departure time. Just make sure the departure time is a valid Excel time and set it in the future. You'll also need to enter your GMT time offset based on your time zone. If you're not sure what yours is, a quick Google search will help. Once your settings are in place, enter your trips by inputting your starting and ending addresses. The tool works with full addresses, zip codes, and city names, but for the most accurate results, we recommend using full addresses. After inputting your locations, simply click the Calculate button, and the tool will instantly provide you with the driving time and distance based on your departure time. You can even experiment with different departure times to find the most efficient travel schedule. Like all our tools, this drive time calculator is built entirely in Excel, meaning there's nothing to install. It seamlessly combines the power of Excel with real-time data from Google Maps. So all you need to do is enter your information and let the tool do the work. If you're ready to start saving time and optimizing your routes, click the link in the description below to download the drive time calculator. And if you need any help or customizations, don't hesitate to reach out. Our phone number and email are also listed in the description. Yes, we actually answer our calls. When you call, you'll be speaking with Vinny, our mastermind who's dedicated to helping you get the most out of our tools. A little flex. Over 7,500 businesses and professionals use our tools, from small startups to major corporations. Every week, we receive emails from clients who tell us how our tools have saved them hours of work and made their lives so much easier. But don't just take my word for it. Check out our 130-plus Google reviews, most of which are 5 stars. These reviews speak volumes about how effective and time-saving our tools are. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs this, and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tools and tutorials. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.